Alright, so we just got the new Sony A9 III at the office here at Icolite, and this video I'm just going to unbox it, but more importantly let you know that if you want to take this camera underwater, there's a sign up link at the description below to be notified as soon as we have a housing available for this camera. So let's just get into it and see what it looks like. So get this thing, whatever that is, charging cable and manuals. Inside, A9 III branded strap. Charger. Sony battery. And the camera itself. So yeah, it looks a lot similar to other Sony cameras. Fully articulating screen. It's really nice to use. Not so much inside the housing though. But let's try out what everyone wants to see. So here is 120 frames per second raw. Yeah, that's pretty fast. Alright, so again, if you are interested in taking this camera underwater, sign up at the link in the description below and we'll email you and notify you as soon as we have housing available.